hear that? What the hell? Oh, shit. What's that? Oh, God. Oh, what is that? Oh. Oh. Alright guys, check it out. Look what we got here. Ooh, ooh. Let's do a review on this Ram. Alright, so y'all are probably wondering here, what did he get? Did he get him a new truck? No, I didn't. Technically this is a friend's truck. He had to go to the airport, so he left it here at the house. So we'll kind of do a little walk around on it and look at some stuff that we like and dislike. For one thing, I'm really digging this grill. Digging the lights. Lights look really good. Integrated fog lights. I don't know if I'm really digging these little pieces here. They're kind of a little bit offset. It looks cool. Hood's not too bad. Looks okay. I'm definitely digging these big badges, the big HEMI badges. It's pretty sharp. Comes with, you know, the basic rims. Looks like some nice little side steps. Has a nice clear, even marked side marker lenses here on the big mirrors. You know how Dodge loves their big mirrors. Nice accents on the door handles. Door handles feel pretty solid. The window lines look pretty good. I like that. Definitely digging the color. I've always loved these gray metallics. Tail lights are kind of neat looking. He's got a leaf in here that probably came with the deal. I noticed it has a super low profile rear bumper. I mean, look at that. Now that is pretty low profile. I mean, take a look at my hand. It only sticks out. So if somebody hits you in the back, you're gonna do some damage. Definitely clean look. Dodge has always did the cutouts and the bumpers. Some lights on the side, which is pretty cool. Really huge Ram. I mean, you can see my hand. Tailgate emblem's got the backup camera built in to this handle, which is really super cool. Lone Star, baby, because you know we're in Texas. I like the fog lights. They've even got badged on them to let you know that they are not Chinese aftermarket, that's for sure. Got some little simple splash guard mud flaps there, I noticed. I noticed here in the back, check that out, some kind of cool spring slash, almost look like a 4-link. And look at the shock. So that's interesting. Disc brakes in the back, of course, which is cool. Pop open gas cap with no, I noticed they're going to that now. Back wind is kind of smooth, got a nice little, and look at the third brake light. It's actually flush with the cab. Now that's kind of cool too. Of course, same thing over here. Got the nice big Ram emblems on the side. Side marker lights, all that. So let's go into the interior. Of course, no key. It just has, of course, the interior is pretty sweet. Got some nice, good handles here. Nice pull guard. Pretty spacious and roomy. Now, the only thing that's kind of weird to me was this switch for the gears. Now, well, I don't know about when I put it in park. I'm like, okay, is it really in park or what? Definitely digging the gauge cluster though. It's pretty cool. Here's the actual guy who owns it right here. His family. See how it even tells you to press, hold the brake. I'm liking the whole center dash thing. It's pretty slick and wicked. And look at this. Built in to the visor is the garage door opener. Now that is freaking slick right there. And I'm not sure what this is here unless it's something to do with hands-free talk radio, you know, through the steering. Cup holders here, cup holders there. Plenty of compartment space. USB ports. Even got an old CD player still. If you're still running that. Not sure what that is, but got nice setup here. The back seat's pretty spacious. You can see the room there. So yeah, let's just give her a start here. She's pretty quiet for a Hemi. But yeah, you can see this, how you just, boom, she's in reverse. Boom, you know, that's like, whoa, okay. Nice big old screen though for the stereo, which is really slick. Which of course we can't test it out and play it because we'll get copyright. And then I even noticed this up here. It's got 12 volts up here, so if you wanted to lay your phone up here and charge it, now that's pretty sweet thinking. Even a speaker up there looks like. A couple of tweeters up there. Now that is really slick. And it's got pedals for the brake. I mean, for the pedals. Let's go ahead and check out this engine. Now that we got the headlights on, let's just see how well they look. Not too bad. I like the little, you notice Ram, they wanted to tell you for sure that this sucker was a Ram. And look at that little Hemi. That's hard to believe they got all that stuff in there. That is super crazy. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because I don't want to run his gas. That click button stuff is definitely weird, but let's just take a look at how much engine they tucked back here in the back. Look at that. It's hard to believe that's a Hemi. I mean, that engine block is big, huge electric fan. I mean, there's quite a bit of decent amount of room in there. I'm not exactly sure what year this is. Let's just see if it says on the door here. Let's see, date of manufacture 5/18, so it's probably a 2017. I mean a 2018. So very interesting. So it's got struts on the hood. Don't have to sit there and hold it. Got the tanks up here real close so you can access them. That's pretty sweet. Charging port right there for the AC. Now that's handy. They were definitely thinking. I mean, look at the size of that brake booster. Whew. Hood closes really good. So yeah, let's just do a quick little walk around on this. And so hopefully y'all like that video here on just a quick little walk around on this 2018 Dodge Ram HEMI 5.7 liter. Just kind of give my little thoughts on it if you was to pick one up. I'm not much of a Dodge Mopar fan, but you know, a lot of people are, and I definitely like the HEMI though. Anyway, thanks for subscribing, thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up, and until next time, we will keep it simple, keep it sweet.